Welcome back. Here, allow me to introduce the idea of complex numbers. So, previously, or from the beginning, we know that there are real numbers that we can count, or numbers that represent a certain value. So, we say imong edad, 19 or 18, that means 18 years nakadiri sa world, or ang imong timbang is 50 kilograms, that means medyo bugat-bugat na kagamay, or in that case. But there are also numbers that we call imaginary. Those numbers that by definition, as what we have previously discussed about why Salman Khan discusses, the idea of that it's a number that represents the square root, like the idea of it's what I squared being defined to be just the square root. I squared is equal to -1, or the other way around, I defined to be the principal square root, meaning take the positive root of square root of -1. That's I. So, complex numbers, siguro no, at the first look, mga tala, lisod siguro ni kay complex man, but not really. Naka-complex lang sa iya ha, kay it is made up of two parts. The one which is so ang complex numbers din, no? When you say complex, it's just composed of real part, and the other one, and imaginary part, okay? So, kanang complex number is just made up of imaginary. So, made up of a real number combined with an imaginary number. In that case, for example, shall we have here? Complex number z, normally we represent complex number as z, is to be equal to what? Shall we say 2 plus, 2 plus 3i. Meaning, this number, ang iyang real part is 2, ang iyang imaginary part is 3. And normally, this is how we express complex numbers in standard form. So, we normally express this complex number as a, which represents the real part, plus bi, which represents the imaginary part. Okay? So, kung mag-wonder ka, ano na pa may mga complex numbers nga, man na makita, no? Gamit ba ng mga complex numbers? So, kanang may ana nga mga idea is medyo at the first look ay maglibog ka sa ihag unsa ba yang application, but in other processes, in this case, for example, let me draw this. This one represents your real part, okay? This is your real part, and this is your when graph, no? This is your imaginary part. Somehow the y-axis is your imaginary part, and your x-axis is your what? Real part. Nga nang mahitabo. For example, let me graph this one. 2 plus 3i. Meaning ana niya is, ang iyang real part is simply 2. So we have 1, 2. Okay? Ang iyang imaginary part is 3. 1, 2, 3. In that case, na siya daan. Okay, let me change the color. So, bali, ang imuhang number, ang kanang nga ko, ang kanang nga number, this represents the complex number 2 plus 3i. Man din ni siya gamit. No, kanang mga ingon ana. Dili jud ko kanang kuan gud, no, but the point is this is used in electrical engineering. For example, electrical engineering man gud, dili gid siya kanang para lang sa mga electrical engineers, but maka-appreciate gihapon ta. For example, when we consume power, duha na ka power ang imong gina-consume. Ang imong normally kanang makita sa kanang meter nga ginabayar nato is the real component, okay? The real component. So kanina ilang nagakita, okay? Kanina siya nga part. And this is normally caused by resistive loads. Kanang for example, nagpasiga ka og bulb, kay ang current ni pass through a resistance, na siya ginatawag, no? Kanang nga current ni pass through that na kay power nga ma-consume. Agi ana ni magbayad ka. But there are also power nga due to kanang mga labi na kanang na mga motors, kanang na mga magtuyok na electric fan, maggamit refrigerator, naman sila mga motors. Tanan pa nga magamit og kanang na magtuyok-tuyok sa ilahang part washing machine. This one doesn't just consume real power. This also consumes imaginary power. Okay? And in that case, kanang mga planta, they don't just pay for the real power. They pay also for this one, for this kanang imaginary power. In that case, shall we say in this case, real power is 2, okay? And the imaginary power is 3. What they pay really is this one. they pay this. This is like the power that they pay. So meaning, this what? Kani siya nga, kung ano ang ilang ginabayaran. Instead, ang kanilang, they pay also for this because kanang nga mga equipment like mga motors, mo consume po na siya og imaginary power. And in that case, this they will be paying for this one, okay? So the more motors they have, either magbayad sila og dako. Or ang uban pod ng mga technology is they try to reduce this imaginary power. So natay mga idea no nga ng mga ingon ana. Normally kanang maligya og mga power saver nga ipansak lang nimo pag ipaduol lang nimo sa imong ref, maka-save na ka og power. It's because kani ang iyang principle ipa-reduce niya na imong imaginary power. So dili gid na siya kanang ingon ta nga gama-gama lang no kay imagine lang. So this is what we call in this case actually this is how we plot a real number. This is what we call complex plane. Complex plane, it's because ang imo kani nga plane is real part ang imong x-axis, imong imaginary part ang imong y-axis, and you can see all the real numbers that can be plotted in this plane. Kung naara ka tanan daari nga kuan, imong point na daani, meaning real number lang siya. Kung nakadaani sa kuan kani nga point, meaning kuan lang siya, imaginary number, pure imaginary. This is pure real. And in between, that is what? A complex number. Okay, for example, we have another number, shall we say that's z1. So we say we have another number, shall we call z2 equal to 2 minus 3i. Aha man na ma-plot daan ni karon, 2 minus 3i, meaning ang iyang part kay ang iyang real part kay 2, pareho lang, pero ang iyang imaginary part kay 3. So in that case, let me place that here, okay? So, di ba, 2, kay negative 1 man siya, negative 1, negative 2. This is the imaginary part. So, negative 3. So, bali, pareho lang sila, no? Unsay common ka silahan duha? Aside from common sila og x. In this case, I think what one can see that this one is, and this one, siya, ang ilang pinaka-common kay pareho sila og distance from what? Pareho sila og distance from the origin, and we call that distance actually to be what? This distance from the origin is what we call the modulus. Okay, modulus. In that case, it's simply defined by this symbol. The modulo of z1 is simply equal to this distance. Okay, kana nga distance, muna absolute value or modulo, meaning how far is it from the origin 0 0. Kana siya nga point. And I think by this principle, I think kabalo mo tag Pythagorean theorem, di ba na this must be 2 and this must be 3. And by principle of Pythagorean theorem, you know that c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. In that case, this must just be equal to what? Square root, or c must just be equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. And that case, what is a? That's 2. So 4 squared, and this case, so ay mo kag 4, that's 2 squared, plus b squared, 3 squared, that's 9. In that case, z must be square root of 13, meaning this point is, the modulo is how far is it from the what? From the origin. Or meaning, sa kuryente pa, how much will you pay? Okay, nag-consume ka nga power, this is the real power. But you don't just consume real power because ang imong kwan daghan kag mga motors, you also consume what we call imaginary power. And what you pay to the power company like ILPI is not just this, but you pay this imaginary power also. And ang net nimo bayaran is this one, this length. And we know that square root of 13 is quite a big number already. Okay, so muna imong ginabayaran. So ang normal ya ginabuhat kung na kay power saver, instead of having this one na kay mga device nga makatry og reduce ani nga kuan kaning height. So kung meaning kung wala na kay imaginary power nga ma-consume, you're actually using magamay lang imong mabayaran bali nga na ang concept. Now, how about this one? How about the modulus of z2? In that case, the modulus of z2 is simply what? That is what? No? 2 minus 3 ay imong z2. So you can see, pareho lang sila kalayo, di ba? Pareho lang sila og distance. And ang idea diri is still a squared plus b squared. Ang imong a kay still 2, that's 4. Ang imong b is negative supposed to be, negative 3, but you square negative 3, that's still 9. Right? And meaning, pareho sila og what? pareho sila og kani nga mga real number, pareho sila og modulus. Pero lain-lain lang sila og unsa may nakalahi nila, dili sila pareha og imaginary part. Ang isa 3i, ang isa negative 3i. Okay? And these numbers are what we call conjugates. Ang conjugate, ang nakakuan lang nila, no? This is modulus. Just really finding the length of this. Kung i-draw nimo sa complex plane ang imong real number, finding the length of that, that's the modulus. Meaning always positive na siya. Then we also have what we call conjugates. Conjugate meaning, ang conjugate, ang symbol niya kay ana. Conjugate sa Z1 is simply, di ba, ang mong Z1 kay kuan man, 2 plus 3i. Ang iyang conjugate ana, kana ang symbol no, conjugate. Ang iyang conjugate sa 2 plus 3i is simply 2 minus 3i. Imurang i-change ang sign sa imuhang real, sa imong imaginary part. That's it. That's how simple is that. Therefore, in this case, makita nato no nga, well, Z1 conjugates is simply equal to Z2, right? Ano man? Okay, 2 minus 3 ay Z2 man na siya. Or, what is Z2 conjugate? The conjugate of Z2. Simply, di ba, ang mong Z2 kay 2 minus 3i, ma'am? 2 minus 3i. Conjugate ni mo na, simply, change lang daw ni mo ang, no, sign sa ikuan. Kung negative siya, gamon mong positive. So, 2 plus 3i. In this case, conjugate of Z2 is simply Z1 in this example. So meaning, conjugate of Z1 is Z2, conjugate of Z2 is Z1. They are conjugates of each other. Ang kasimple sa conjugate is simply kanang lahi lang siya og kuan. Lahi lang siya og sign sa iyang imaginary part na siya sa ubos, okay? And normally sa mga industries, they pair what they do is they pair katong mga equipment na naay positive nga imaginary, they pair that with the equipment nga na negative na imaginary para somehow mag-cancel ang effect. Okay? Nga ang idea nila if they could somehow they want to reduce their power consumption. Okay, ingana ang concept. Modulus refers to how far is your number from the complex number from the origin, and conjugate simply silang duha conjugate. Okay? Galahi lang sila og imaginary part. And conjugates has the same modulus, right? Because dili man na mag-matter kung nakakasaubos, basta ang how far you are, meaning ana, muna na ang imuhang muna na imuhang modulus. I hope nga wala kita naglibog introduction of complex numbers. This is just merely made up of a real part and an imaginary part. For example, we could have, for example, this one. Is this a complex number? Shall we say, ang atong number kay 2. Complex number ba ng 2? Yes, by virtue, 2 is a complex number because this could be thought of 2 plus 0i, okay? Mo niyang ihang real part, mo niyang ihang complex part. So, any real number is a complex number, no? Ang real number kay complex number na siya. Any real number, no? Okay. Any real number is a complex number. So, kung real number ka, 2, meron kang complex number assuming that your imaginary part is 0. Now, for example, you have the number 3i. Is this a real number? Is this a complex number? The answer is yes. It's a complex number because it is assumed that its imaginary part is 0. Okay? This is what? Any real number is any imaginary number is a what? Is a complex number also. Okay? So this is what we call pure real and this is pure imaginary. And the mix of them is mix of them is what we call the i-mix mo na sila tanan na kay number nga 2 plus 3i. This is what we call an example of a complex number. So, ang complex number ni sila tanan, pero kani siya kay pure real, pure imaginary. Complex gap na siya. So, we can thought of, if this is the set of, set of complex numbers, this is what we call the set of pure real numbers and pure imaginary, okay? imaginary number, and the rest, they are not pure real, but they are just a mixture of real and imaginary numbers. Okay, I hope that wala kita nalibog, and I hope that we'll appreciate nga sayon lang dahil ng complex numbers, di dahil siya kung ano ka nang makaingon ta nga alisod man siguro ng complex numbers or something. Okay, so we have, in this case, we studied how could we plot complex numbers. Simple lang kayo. You plot the real part on the x-axis, and the y-axis you plot the imaginary part. Modulo is simply getting the distance from the x-axis, no, from the origin to that point, and conjugate simply changing the sign of the, changing the sign of the imaginary part. Thank you.